What is up, guys? Thanks for checking out my Udemy course. This is a free course that I'm doing to hopefully help the people who are struggling with chronic fatigue. I struggled with chronic fatigue myself. There's a whole year, 2-year period of my life where I was bedridden. Not completely bedridden, but really close to it. I just didn't have the ability to live my life like my friends did. I just would expire before they did. I couldn't stay out like they could. I couldn't run the way that they did. I couldn't stay up as long. I couldn't watch long TV shows or movies or anything that they could do. And it was really depressing. But there's hope. And what this course is meant to do is to show you that you can always fight for your energy and get your life back, no matter what is causing your chronic fatigue. I hope to make this course in a way that it will be beneficial to you and how it will get some changes to happen in the way that you think that's going to result in you having energy. And this course is designed for a couple different things. And it's designed for a couple different individuals. If you are experiencing chronic fatigue, regardless of why you're experiencing it, then I made this course for you, with you in mind. Even if it's a bacterial thing, like Lyme disease or something like that, that you think is really contributing your chronic fatigue and causing most of it, this course is going to help. I'm not going to tell you how to treat your disease, but I am going to tell you how you need to arm yourself with information and how to figure out what life changes are necessary to overcome your chronic fatigue, regardless of what may be the kind of biggest reason that it's being caused. We're going to take a step back and look at all of the possible variables that lead to fatigue and talk to you about how I was able to change the way that I lived my life in order to change the way that I thought and the way that I looked at things. And now I'm not energetic all the time and I'm still sleepy sometimes, but I am nowhere near struggling the way that I used to struggle. I'm now able to work on things that I love every day, and I'm around people who I can keep up with. I get bored, I don't want to go out and party, but when I have done that, I'm able to. It's not a matter of I can't do it anymore. I can do it. I just don't want to, you know? But it's amazing to have that luxury. And I want to give you some hope right off the bat here, because you may be struggling now with fatigue, but as soon as you are able to overcome this, you are going to find that you have such a newfound appreciation of life, and you have an edge over most other people, because unlike them, you've lost it all and then gotten it back. And that is going to allow you to just excel in almost anything that you do if you use that to your advantage. All right, guys, I will see you in the rest of the course videos. Bye-bye.